floor and he's gonna start shooting. They all want what you've got, and they'll kill each and every one of us until they get it.
Oh my God. God, I killed someone! I killed someone! Stop yelling!
What are we doing? Are we gonna sit in the corner all night? It's your birthday.
I'm 30 years old. I wear a Hawaiian shirt to work. My boyfriend dumped me in a text.
Let's set a shit on fire.
Burn, burn, burn in the fire.
In a bad situation.
We just want to talk about Drew Thayer. He's your boyfriend, right?
Drew is CIA.
Like a bad reputation.
I'm sorry, what? I know you're a spy.
It's a long story, and I'm gonna explain everything.
It's in your forehead.
Some bad people are after me, and now they're after you.
If we don't deliver this package, Vivian, a lot of people are gonna die.
Do you want to die having never been to Europe? Or do you want to go to Europe and die having been to Europe?
Why are those my only two options? Is this really happening?
Yeah, because you dated a spy.
Come here, come here.
Oh my God.
An international terrorist group is planning a series of assassinations. A lot of innocent people are gonna die unless we stop them.
Will you trust us to help you?
Light it up.
This is surreal, and I honestly think I'm in shock.
Woman, you are incredible, and I want you to own it.
You have a real instinct for this.
I do play a lot of video games.
This is insane.
Have you ever felt so alive?
Just don't die, okay? Oh my God! Because I would die without you, and then we'd both be dead.
You better work, bitch.
Oh my God.
Oh God! Jesus! What happened?
You too.
Wow.
What?
You're the boss, and yet you have not sacrificed 1 ounce of femininity. That is the Beyonce of the government.
Knock it to what, bitch?